Recording.
Recording?
Yeah.
Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome to the inaugural season of the, what? I gotta get lower? I'm right here. I can see myself. Alright. The inaugural season of the Bird Cage 2014. We got some new birds up in the Bird Cage. Here we got, come here. We got Luke over here. He's a new guy. And we got another guy, another new guy in the fantasy league. Right here. I'm just kidding. Sit down. Alright, so we're gonna do a draft lottery pick. The first name that I pick is gonna be the first pick, then the second name, second pick, so on and so forth. Alright, where's this guy? I'm making a video. You need my keys? For what? I'm going to a drug dealer's house. Let me find out. Alright. Here we go, y'all ready? Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Get right here. Stand up on the bed. We're going to have this guy helping us out with the names. And the first pick goes, pick one. The first pick goes to... Oh! Mr. Narcolepsy himself, Team Navarro. Xavier Navarro gets the first overall pick.
Show the camera, show it to the camera.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Went backwards, but anyways, Xavier gets the first pick. Alright, good luck with that. Very good. Press pause on the game, bro.
Oh, I do.
Alright, you ready for the second pick? Oh, Hustleville Tree Coop with the chicken coop. Going for the second pick. Alright. What? He's picking them anyways. It's not like I'm picking them. Cheating.
Collusion!
Alright, this is the third pick. Waco Flacco Flame. Your mom Sancho is the third pick in the draft.
Who's your mom Sancho?
His brother. Alright, that's another bird. Brand new bird in the cage. Oh, the last guy to join the league, because you don't know how to join a freaking fantasy football league, Team Cruz. Welcome to the league, bird. Oh! What, this is a fourth, wait, no. This is a fifth pick right here. Right, so Team Cruz got the fourth pick. And the fifth pick goes to Mr. McDonald's himself. Come here, get up. Get up. Fourth pick goes to Steeler Virginity. He's a Steeler fan. That sucks for him.
Was that number 5?
Clever name though. Yeah, that was pick number 5. Pick number 6. Pick number 6. Oh, this guy has had 4 children in the past year. I don't know how it adds up, but Skeet McGee Manny. That was the 6th pick, right? Yeah. Alright, now this is the 7th pick right here. Oh, this guy has a lifetime batting average of 102. Mr. Matt Alzamora with the 7th pick.
102's not that bad though.
102's horrible. 102's not that bad. He got a soccer player. Oh, here we go. This is number 8, right?
Yeah.
All right. With the 8th pick, what is he? He was a 2011 champion for the Breezy Beatdown League. It's Robert with the Team Bird Killer. His name's kind of gay, but it's okay. This is pick number 8 right here. With the 8th pick, pimpin' since Phil been pimpin'. Lupe Fiasco himself. Show yourself. Here we go. We got these guys here as witnesses because they wanted me to make the video in front of them. But they think I'm some kind of thief or something. So that's the 9th pick, right? Right?
You should have.
That's the 9th pick. We should have had one of you niggas writing it down.
Why'd you grab that one? Put it back in and do it over.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, oh, you're bad.
My bad.
You're trying to
That was
cheat.
pick 9. Yeah, I was pick 9.
So this is the 10th overall, right?
With the 10th overall pick, yours truly, the 2010 Breezy Beatdown champion. I haven't won a championship in 4 years, but it's all good. Your boy, the Pez. Holler at me.
Although that was
That was number 10. Now with the 11th pick of the draft. The 2012 Breezy Beatdown champion. The Breezy Slayer, the Godfather. Or Juan. And the last pick would go to the Spin Master, TDD, Team Salad Tosser, Thomas Riley with the 12th pick. Alright guys, since you guys know the draft already, the draft order, go ahead and start doing your mock drafts and start preparing because the Pez is gonna layeth the smacketh down on your I can't cuss because you know I gave my life to the Lord and stuff. I can't do all that stuff. Alright guys, peace. Hey, stop piping.